Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Thomas, you look very happy this morning.
Oh, do I?
Yes, like you had a very peaceful start to your day.
Yes, my morning was simple and quiet.
That sounds nice.
What about you, Sarah? How was your morning?
Oh, mine was a little slow, but very comfortable.
Slow mornings are the best.
Yes, they are. And actually, mornings are part of our topic today.
Ah, yes. Today's topic is very useful.
Today, we're talking about daily routines.
A very common topic. People talk about their daily routine everywhere.
Yes, in classes, in conversations, in interviews, in English practice.
And routines help people understand your lifestyle.
Exactly. And simple sentences are enough.
Should we start with morning routines?
Yes, let's start gently from the moment we wake up.
Many people say, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Or, I wake up early in the morning.
Or, I wake up late on weekends.
Very natural sentences.
After waking up, you can say, I get out of bed.
Or, I wash my face.
Or, I brush my teeth.
These are simple daily habits.
Yes, things we all do.
You can also say, I take a shower in the morning.
Or, I like a warm shower to start my day.
Very gentle and relaxing.
Many people also drink coffee or tea after waking up.
Yes, you can say, I make a cup of coffee.
Or, I drink tea every morning.
Or, I eat breakfast with my family.
Very soft morning moments.
Then, people usually talk about getting ready.
Yes, I get dressed.
Or, I choose my clothes for the day.
Very simple English.
After that, you can talk about how you go to work or school.
Yes, I go to work by bus.
Or, I walk to school.
Or, I drive to the office.
These sentences describe your routine clearly.
You can also mention what time you start.
Yes, I start work at 9 a.m.
Or, my classes start at 10.
Very easy.
After arriving, you can talk about your morning tasks.
For example, I check my emails.
Or, I start my first class.
Or, I begin my projects for the day.
Very simple lines.
Many people also say, I work on my computer.
Yes, that's very common today.
Thomas, I think many learners worry about long routines.
Yes, but routines don't need to be long.
Exactly. Just small sentences are enough.
Like, I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Or, I take a short break in the afternoon.
Or, I talk with my coworkers.
Very simple daily details.
People also talk about their afternoon activities.
Yes, you can say, I continue my work.
Or, I attend a meeting.
Or, I finish my tasks.
And later, I leave work at 5 p.m.
Or, I go home in the evening.
Very soft and natural.
After arriving home, routines change depending on the person.
Yes, some people rest.
Some cook dinner.
Some spend time with family.
You can say, I relax on the sofa.
Or, I prepare dinner for my family.
Or, I eat dinner at 7 p.m.
All very simple English sentences.
After dinner, routines usually become calm and slow.
Yes, it feels like the peaceful part of the day.
You can say, I watch a little TV.
Or, I read a book.
Or, I take a walk outside.
Very gentle evening habits.
Some people also say, I clean the kitchen.
Or, I finish small chores.
Simple daily responsibilities.
After that, we move to night routines.
Yes, I take a shower before bed.
Or, I get ready to sleep.
Or, I check my phone one last time.
Very common line.
And finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Or, I sleep around midnight.
Very easy and clear.
Sarah, maybe we can give a full example routine.
Yes, but very soft and simple.
All right, I'll start. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I make a cup of tea. I get dressed and go to work by bus. I start work at 9. I check emails and finish my tasks. I have lunch at 1. In the evening, I go home, cook dinner, relax, and go to bed at 11.
Very natural and very clear.
Thank you.
I will try now. I wake up at 7. I wash my face and make coffee. I eat a light breakfast. I walk to work. My work starts at 10. I teach classes and prepare lessons. I have lunch with friends. After work, I go home, cook dinner, read a little, and sleep around 10:30.
Lovely routine, Sarah.
Thank you, Thomas.
Anyone can build a routine with these simple sentences.
Yes, just choose the lines that match your life.
And keep it clear and short.
Very short is okay.
Yes, don't worry about long sentences.
The goal is to communicate your daily life gently.
And now we can look at a few more small details people use.
Yes, the tiny routine habits that show who we are.
For example, some people like planning their day.
Yes, you can say, I make a to-do list every morning.
Or, I plan my day before I start work.
Very natural lines.
Some people don't plan at all.
Yes, and they can say, I just go with the flow.
Or, I take things one step at a time.
Very gentle expressions.
You can also talk about how your energy changes during the day.
Yes, you can say, I feel energetic in the morning.
Or, I get tired in the afternoon.
Or, I feel relaxed in the evening.
Very soft, simple descriptions.
People sometimes talk about small daily joys.
Yes, like, I enjoy my morning coffee.
Or, I love listening to music on my way to work.
Or, I like talking with my family during dinner.
These small moments make routines feel warm.
Yes, these moments show your personality too.
You can also share how you stay organized.
Yes, you can say, I check my schedule every morning.
Or, I clean my desk before starting work.
Or, I like keeping things simple.
Very natural English.
Another helpful thing is describing time expressions.
Yes, words like usually, always, sometimes, rarely.
You can say, I usually wake up early.
Or, I sometimes cook dinner.
Or, I rarely watch TV in the morning.
These small words make routines sound more real.
Yes, more true to life.
You can also talk about weekend routines.
Yes, weekends feel different. You can say, I sleep in on weekends.
Or, I clean my home on Saturdays.
Or, I spend time with friends on Sundays.
Very soft and friendly sentences.
Some people also talk about little self-care routines. Oh yes, you can say, I meditate in the morning.
Or, I exercise before work.
Or, I stretch before bed.
Very calm routines.
You can also mention hobbies in your routine.
Yes, I play guitar in the evening.
Or, I write in my journal at night.
Or, I paint on weekends.
Very gentle details.
Suggesting, if you want, you can add how you end your day.
Yes, you can say, I like quiet nights.
Or, I turn off my phone before sleeping.
Or, I read a few pages before bed.
These lines sound calm and peaceful.
Yes, perfect for describing a soft routine.
Maybe we can give one more example routine.
Yes, let's do a very gentle one.
I'll start. I usually wake up at 6:30. I stretch and drink some water. I go to work and finish my tasks slowly. After work, I walk home, make dinner, and relax. I read a little and sleep around 10:30.
Very soft and nice.
Thank you.
I'll try now. I wake up at 7. I make coffee and check my messages. I teach classes during the day. In the evening, I cook something light, watch a little TV, and enjoy a quiet night. I sleep around 11.
Very lovely, Sarah.
Thank you, Thomas.
And friends listening, your routine can be simple like this too.
Yes, you don't need long sentences.
Just calm, clear English.
And don't worry about perfection.
Yes, routines are personal.
And simple English is beautiful.
We hope you enjoyed this soft, slow lesson.
Yes, thank you for spending your time with us today.
Please, if this helped you, please remember to subscribe.
And share this episode with anyone learning English.
We'll be back soon with another gentle English conversation.
Until then, take care, stay calm,
And keep practicing your English.
goodbye everyone.
Goodbye, friends.